Hi everyone, welcome back. This week we're going to look at the tune Ladybird and recap all the patterns we've seen up until now. I will put a playlist in the description with all the previous videos if you haven't seen them. First, let's talk about the harmony quickly. So this tune is 16 bars in the key of C major. Starts on the C major chord for 2 bars, and then we have 2/5 of flat 3, 2/5 of E flat, so F minor to B flat, back to C major 7 for 2 bars, and then we have 2/5 of flat 6, so 2/5 of A flat, so B flat minor, E flat 7, A flat major 7 for 2 bars, and then 2/5 of 5, so A minor 7, D7, and then 2/5 of 1, D minor 7, G7, and then 2 chords per bar, 1, flat 3 major 7, flat 6 major 7, flat 2 major 7, and back to the top. I'm going to play the bass line slowly now. You can follow along and try to spot the patterns. You should know all of them by now from the previous videos. One more time, a little bit faster. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. You can download the sheet music for this video on my website. I will include a link in the description. I also have a play-along track on my channel for Ladybird that you can practice over. I will also include the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.